Uh, hello, guys. All right, welcome back to the AI-powered software development training. Once again, my name is Emmanuel Edward, your instructor for this course. We are now in lesson 4. The last few lessons, we have explored the evolution of software development from manual coding to AI-powered systems. We have discussed the different development approaches like no code. We talked about low code. We have taken time to exhaust the AI coding era that we are. And now in this lesson, we're moving from theory to inspiration. All right. Then in lesson 2, in module 2, we now begin the actual coding, the actual software development with AI proper. All right. So you're about to see what's possible when you combine human creativity with the power of artificial intelligence, right? So in this first part, I'll be showing you demo projects, not actually demo projects, projects that have been deployed, were built entirely with AI assistance by myself from idea to deployment. So I will just show you those projects, all right, in this lesson. Then when we get into module 2, we start building similar projects. You will see how AI tools like Rock AI, Cursor, Dreamflow, Base 44, Bolt, Lovable, and the rest of them can help you. All right. They can help you generate app ideas and workflows automatically, can help you design interfaces with a simple prompt. Right? You'll be able to build complex features like authentication, like payment integration, or dashboards. All right, you are going to see a lot of things I've done here. Even the website you are seeing, TechFuse Digital Lab, is 100% AI developed. You can see how beautiful it is. All right, so you deploy web and mobile apps instantly without worrying about manual coding errors. Man, you need to see the errors developers face when writing codes manually. So you are going to, be able to deal with all that just by using artificial intelligence. You also see real examples, such as an energy management system, a product sourcing website. You'll even see a meal planner app. It's also a recipe directory that I built. All right, you're going to see an e-commerce store. You are going to see a learning management system. This class is on a learning management platform. All right, this class is on the website. Okay, you are going to see some mobile applications that I did. All right, and also my friend did. We're going to look at some of them. All right, so this is TechFuel Digital Lab. This is TechFuel. The website we are on now is techfueldigital.com.ng. All right, so look at it. Let's look at it. Starting from beginning. All right, this is the front end of our website. So as you're watching, take note of how quickly ideas become working applications. Yeah. See the interface, the user interface, how clean it is. All right, see how fast the pages are opening, you know. Pages are opening pretty fast. No loading time, just in seconds. Okay, let me take you into, these are our discount offers, just appended here, sticky. Let's take, this is a landing page for this, our course. All right. If you make effort to, okay, let me do as if I want to enroll. You see what I'm saying? See now, this is the checkout page. After payment, you go to the thank you page. Then you go there manually. From the thank you page, you can. This is a funnel, actually, sales funnel. This is what we call the sales funnel. Right. So All right, then the actual courseware itself, where you need to log in to learn. Okay. Oh, this proxy has been storing my. Or something. Okay, let me see. So that thing was caused by my VPN, the proxy that I'm using, because some of these AI tools usually they open. So this courseware is very dynamic. It works. It works with this admin. This is admin of that courseware. You can see everything is well arranged. You know, your modules. I can edit it. I can delete anything I do here shows up in the course. So I can add a new module. I can add lessons. If I delete a lesson here, it will also be the number of lessons in that module will be reduced, you know. And it didn't take me more than a week to build this site. All right. It was just after I started promoting it that I now began to say, where are they going to learn? I don't want to do all those Zoom stuff I used to do before. These are the projects. So I'm adding projects here or editing here. It shows up for you guys in the courseware, you know. All right. So as you can see, your courseware has a lot of things. Also, it has projects. You're going to be filling this and submit for every project I send to you. After completing your course, you can see your certificate automatically and download it. This one will track your progress, you know. So this is the beauty of AI at work. You can change your password here, you know, and update your profile, you know, log out. Before you build this kind of thing, it take you months. But here we are doing it in just weeks. Okay, so that is my own website. Then this is another system I built for a client, though it's still work in progress. There is a live energy management system. It shows all these metrics are going to be live from solar panels. You'll be able to see live data. Going to integrate it with an IoT device that shows live data right here on the website. It's modeled after Tesla. You go to Tesla, you see all these kind of blocks there. You know, you can close this thing if you don't want it to interrupt you. So the entire front end, you can see videos automatically playing. I did everything here with AI, right? Did everything here with AI. Okay, so you can see how beautiful it is. Now, let me show you the dashboards, that website. I'm not fully done with it. So this is a client dashboard. Imagine somebody buys solar and is given access to a dashboard like this. You're able to see carbon dioxide saved by using that solar. You're able to see carbon credits, energy generated, and bill saving and stuff like this, you know. So that is that. I will show you everything. These are controllers and okay, orders, billing. It's a complete system. It's a complete system. All right, so that is enough for that. This is a partners dashboard, no, admin dashboard, partners dashboard, and so on. All done with AI. This one is a China Hub. It's a product sourcing application. You can sign in and you can sign up also. You can sign in, you know. So I'm going to sign into one of my account just to show you how it is. See that we send notifications, transaction history, you do top-ups with a wallet. All this was done with AI. You can top up with Naira, you can do it in dollars, Once I select dollar, the payment gateway changes to PayPal. I switch to Naira, changes to Naira. Everything is dynamic. All right, this is a user account. It has to do with money. I will show you the admin dashboard. All right, so this is the product sourcing. You just pay 1,000 and source for products in China. All right, so that is that. And this one is a company website built with AI. A lot of things. You can see our company name is at the footer there, Tech Food Digital Lab. This one is also a company website, an energy company in Nigeria here. All right. And this is a filling station in Nigeria. You can see it has live data using an API. You can see that. So everything is dynamic here. We're not just doing some static stuff. And this is an NGO website, the Nigerian NGO. All right. The Nigerian NGO website. Then you can see this is also a company website that is into industrialization, partnering with Korean companies. Okay. They build industries for governments. That's a former president standing there and stuff like that. So I built it with AI. And this is a church to humanitarian ministry. He's a founder based in the United States. You know, can give, there's even live streaming feature right here. People can join. All these things were done with AI. This is the power of AI. People can attend live service. You know, it's translatable, can translate it to other languages. This is to Nepal. See that? Everything has been changed. It's translating. All this was done with AI. So you're going to be learning something very powerful. Just imagine it and you'll build it. There's no limitation. You know, just imagine it and you'll be able to build it. This is okay. Don't need to go to this again. Then this is a Polytechnic website. Go Polytechnic. Okay. Good. So this is the admission page. They have a form where students can fill and apply. Okay. Then this is a company also in Nigeria. They are into oil servicing, all built with AI. You need to see the speed I use in building some of these things. Some of them I finished them in a day. And this is another NGO. All right, this is another NGO built with the power of AI. The power of AI. One thing you will notice is that once you click a page, it doesn't waste time to load because it's highly optimized. Everything is optimized. Everything is this is a school website. Though we have not deployed it to this one was done by one of my students who is also in this course. So this is a school website built by my student, not yet deployed to the client. Right, then this is an event website. I think this is my most recent project. A client just called me, hey, we have event on 22nd October, last week, or the week before that. We need to get it ready for people to register. I built it in just 2 days, added admin. There's an admin dashboard. They are in Turkey. There's an admin dashboard where you can capture data. All the registration data goes there, you know. See how clean it is. Very neat. So if you have a website, you have an app to build, this is your opportunity to build it for zero cost. You're not going to pay anybody as you're attending this course. You're going to pay nobody, no matter how sophisticated that app is. It may be challenging, depending on the level of complexity. But as far as you have attended this course, you build it and guarantee you that one. So a lot of things, this is the registration, that's the dashboard. After building this thing, I was so proud of myself, finishing it in 2 days. Front end, back end, database, everything completed. All right, this one is a product sourcing website. All right, where you're going to source for products. Sorry, you're going to, interns will apply and they are going to be matched with companies who are looking for interns. So companies have their own sign up, while interns also have their own sign up. Look at them. So you can have partners. There's a partners dashboard. You can search for partners, which are companies. All right. You can see opportunities, or you can become a partner by signing up as a company. You pay money. It's not free. So that is that. Then this one is a Baruch Zurel. It's also a gas company. Done a lot, a lot. This is not actually all the things I've built. But you can see the ones. This one I was just playing around. So I decided to build a system because I know how much I've been spending with meter energy management. That's in what's it called? Power supply. I decided to build a system that will serve as a software as a service for electricity distribution companies, prepared me, this is a prompt I use for vendors and energy aggregators to manage, to monitor, to reconcile all prepaid meter transactions. So this is it. Your meter, once you assign a meter, you can see how your meter usage is going right on your dashboard. It was just a hobby, so I didn't even finish it. Kind of, how do you call it? When you are bored, you just say, let me do something. Yeah, that's what I was doing. I'm showing you, this is the mobile version. It's actually a clean UI. It doesn't have a backend yet. If I want to finish it, I'll just need more time to do so. All right. Lastly, this is one of my mobile app projects. It is a meal planner. Meal planner. All right. It also has a. Let me refresh it so it opens. I call it Foodie Niger. I just saw a married woman post something how she have a crazy time to decide what to cook for the family. How the husband has been helping out. Me, I'm not the kind of husband that knows things about food. Okay, imagine if I was her husband, what would have been happening to her? So when I saw that thing, it gave me this idea that people actually, I realized sometimes my wife actually asks me, what should we cook? I will tell her anything you cook, I will eat. So those ideas that inspired me to build this one, you know. So you can see this on what's it called? The onboarding, the splash screen rather. So it has video guides, you know. So I can skip it actually and get into the app. You sign up, you see a lot of things. Let's not go into too much things. I'm showing you all this because I want you to be inspired to decide on what to build. You are not going to hear me speak again, just talking and talking and talking. This is the last module for talking. Okay, maybe when we are doing prompt engineering, okay, I will still be doing something. We'll be writing prompts after this particular lesson. This is the end of module 1. We're going to be doing module 2, where we actually dive into practicals. So with that, I want you to have something in mind that you are going to build. We have laid a strong foundation already. All right, you understand why you are here, what no code is all about, low code, and AI development. You understand core concepts and a whole lot of things are poured out already into this module 1. What is left for us to do now is for you to decide on what you're going to build, your own project. So as I'm doing it, you are also doing it. All right. You can do more, but just start with one project that I must build in the course of this lesson. As I'm doing it, you are doing it, beginning from the next lesson. All right. So this is the end of this lesson. See you in module 2, lesson 1.